So hey guys, so all you need is a screwdriver set, and I will give you a link to buy this, and if a RAM of your compatible size 8 GB or 4 GB, mine is 8 GB. And now you need to take a compatible screw. So this is your screw for my laptop, and just fit it. Let's open now. Yeah, so guys, there is only one screw to open the RAM, and you don't need to remove it, you just need to lose it. Just lose it, okay? You don't need to remove it, just lose it and open it. I already opened once, so it was showing like that. So just lose the screw and open it. It will come off easily, so there won't be any problem in that. So you can see a free RAM, a free slot, actually a free slot. So now just slowly insert your RAM inside that. Keep it on a 45-degree angle. After inserting the RAM in a 45-degree angle, you need to press the RAM gently downwards, and you'll hear a clip sound, which means your RAM is perfectly installed. So I'm gonna show you again by removing my old RAM. So I'm losing my strips so that my RAM will come out. So one thing you need to note is you need to insert in your RAM deeply inside the slot. So there are some strips, right? You don't need to see strips outside the slot. All the RAM strips has to be properly inside the slot, and then keep it in a 45-degree and just push it gently downwards. Then after that, just close your door, keep the door upside, and then just knock it everywhere, just tight the screw. Yeah.